Cheers, everyone. So it's about 88 degrees today. So I did bring the air conditioner with us, as well as I brought a bike. So let's go ahead and get this unloaded. We'll take it for a spin. So this is the best spot I could find in this campground. This loop is completely empty. There's nobody in it right now, but I got the bike with us so we can ride it around the loop. The only other thing I wish we had was a nice view of the lake, but all those campsites were jam-packed. There were so many people. Come over to this loop, nobody here. Go ahead, get this fridge unloaded. Try to keep it over here in the shade just a bit. That way the sun's not working against the cooler. Nice and cold in there. Ended up going with the primitive campsite. Most of this campground anyway is primitive. Not many electric sites to choose from. So as you can see right here, I do have the air conditioner. Got my Blue Eddy AC180T right here for power tonight. Just got a duffel bag with some clothes and stuff in it. And that is about it in there, guys. Like I said, this is a very spacious campsite for one person especially, but I really like how far back in here it is. So you can see we got a nice drive right here. And then it just keeps going back in here. And it's kind of in the sun right now back here, but we got enough trees here that it should shade over nicely. And the truck is in the shade, so. The lake is over in this direction, and there are some foot trails right here that possibly go to the water. Just look how beautiful this forest back in here is. Well, there's not much of a breeze here, so I say we go ahead and ride the bike around this loop. I'll show you guys around a little bit and have a good time. So this is the Fido Titan electric bike. So you got the big fat tires on the front and the back. You've got front suspension that's adjustable. Nice seat that can go up or down. It also has 9-speed gearing, so you can use this as like a mountain bike if you want to. So you've got a power button here you can turn on your screen. So you've got different modes here. You've got Eco mode, Normal, Sport, Turbo, and Turbo Plus. And this thing goes pretty fast, guys. I think I've had it up to 29 miles per hour, so it's really quick. Here is your adjustable throttle, and you got front and rear brakes, of course. You've got a horn and a light. So here's the adjustable suspension I was talking about. Got a nice big headlight on the front here, which is pretty bright at night. You got a nice sturdy kickstand right here, a cargo rack so you can strap stuff on the back. Right here you can see this little flap. You lift that up and you can charge your battery without even removing it. This battery will run up to 84 miles, I believe. It's just a really sharp looking bike, guys. And like I said, it does amazing off-road. Let's take it around the loop here and cool off a bit. I'll show you guys how fast it goes. Let's take this thing for a spin. This thing gets up and goes really quick. We're going uphill right now and it's very smooth. Show you guys the bathroom really quick. As you can see, here's the outhouse. It's got showers. I think it's got 3 or 4 showers in there. I'll show you guys really quick. You see here you got sinks, plenty of bathrooms. There's a shower here, here, and one more right here. It feels really good. Yeah, really cool that we have showers, a bathroom, not very far from camp. Let's ride back around and head back to camp. Let's do one more loop. Let's see how fast we go here. It's too fast for me. Well, we got it up to at least 23, I think. Well, that bike was fun, but it's time for something to drink. Cheers, everyone. Yeah, I really like the e-bike. That's, yeah, it gives you something to do when you're at camp, and especially if the wind's not blowing or you're in an area like this where the wind's not really coming through. I can hear the wind way out, like on the lake, and I can see the trees blowing, but we ain't getting nothing in here. It's like the tree coverage is just blocking all the wind. Feels really good to be back out, guys. It's been a few weeks, so I was really excited to get back out. I'm gonna have a fire later, of course, but right now it's in the blazing sun, so we're gonna wait for a little while, then we'll get that fire started. I still gotta get the truck situated a little bit, but other than that, guys, I mean, just kind of just hang out and relax for a little while. I just wanted to take a minute and thank you all for 4,000 subscribers. I started this a couple years ago and wasn't really sure what was gonna happen with it. Was hoping that I could make something out of it, and so far it's really working out. And yeah, so thank you guys. I really do appreciate it. And so I actually do plan to make more frequent videos now. That's the plan anyway. You shouldn't have to wait every 3 to 4 weeks for a video like it has been lately. And it may not all be truck camping. It's going to be camping regardless, but I know you all are mostly into the truck, and so am I, really. So the plan is later tonight, before we get in the truck, I'm going to get the air conditioner started, get it all closed up, and try to cool it down in there. That way when we go to bed, it's a lot more comfortable, and I think it's going to work out just fine. We should have pretty comfortable temperature for at least, I would say, 4 hours. That's the hope anyway, but we'll find out together. So right now I'm just going to crawl up in here, and I'm just going to open these windows up. Try to get some fresh air in here. Get these lights plugged in here. This is just a little USB fan, and you just plug it in. You don't have to recharge it. You don't have to have batteries, and it's got a clamp, so you can clamp it onto like any rail or ledge of something. But right now, I think what I'm going to do here is clamp it right to that window, like so. Plug it in. That's just going to pull in some fresh air, as well as the windows on the side being open, and that way later tonight we'll have the best chance at cooling it down pretty quick in here and hopefully having a comfortable night's sleep. That's the plan anyway. So for dinner tonight, we're going to go super simple. This is chicken fried rice, Mountain House. It's got green peas, onions, carrots, and mushrooms, and it's all freeze dried. Go ahead and open this up. Let's get our JetBoil going here. we're going to add 12 fluid ounces of water, roughly. Pop our lid on here. Let that boil up. We'll pour it down in our bag here. All right. It smells really good, so let's try to seal this up. All right, let's give this a try here. Add a little bit of salt and some pepper in there. Give it a mix here. It smells great. Cheers, everyone. That's not bad. And it's super easy. There's little cleanup. I mean, can't really go wrong. Well guys, we still got this place to ourselves. I mean, it is just calm, quiet. There's hardly any boat traffic out on the lake. I mean, it's very nice. It's about 6:42 right now. Sun's starting to make its way down, but we still got a couple hours. Gonna go ahead, finish eating this, get everything cleaned up. We'll get the campfire started and hang out by it for a while. All right, everyone, so I want to show you guys real quick something that I just set up in like 5 minutes. As you can see on the roof here, there's this little antenna, and I've got that antenna running down and through this window right here. I've just got it barely cracked. So as you guys can see here, I've got the power station set up. Then I've got this little box here, and this is the HiBoost cell phone booster. And I've got that wire that comes in through the window right here. And that wire is just temporary ran through. I've got it plugged in right here onto this box. And on the other side of this box, there's 2 cables that come out. One is going to be your antenna right here that you set your phone on to get some better service. And then our other wire is right here, and this plugs into the power station, the 12-volt cigarette port right here. So I've got 1 bar of service right here, and if I set my phone down right there, I pick up 2 extra bars, so I've got 3 bars of signal right here. Yeah guys, this is the HiBoost cell phone booster. It works with 5G, and like I said, I installed this in like 5 minutes right here at camp, and I know it's just temporary. I can take it down nice and easy. It doesn't have to be permanent. You can just set this up when you get to camp, or you don't have to set it up every time. Just whenever you got bad cell service and you need to get a message through, or you want to watch a movie in the rain, whatever's going on. This is a good little system, and they did send me this to share with you all. And I think this is a really cool, really nice upgrade to any truck camper. And yeah, I really like it so far because I picked up 2 extra bars. I can get a message through, whatever I need to do, and I can just take it down tomorrow when I leave, or I can permanently set it up. So I'm not sure where I'm going to put it yet. That's why I've just got it temporary ran, and I also wanted to see how it worked. So really cool little system. Again, it's a Travel 3.0 car cell phone booster from HiBoost, and once you get it, I mean, you ain't gonna pay every month for something. It just works. So far, it's working really well. Really cool little system, guys. So if you're interested, I'll have it linked down below. Check it out. Well, that was pretty cool. I was getting out of the truck after showing you guys that cell phone booster, and there was 2 deer. That was pretty cool. Let's go ahead and get this fire going, guys. Go ahead, get us a little fire going here. Going to use these little fire starter cubes. We don't want to mess around with it too much. It's way too warm for that. That's going to take off nicely. Sunset was awesome, wasn't it? That glare off the lake, the red sun. There's like a pink hue in the sky right now. It's awesome. Well, let's go ahead, get this air conditioner set up so we'll have a nice comfortable sleep tonight. First, I'm gonna get the drain hose and just get that connected. Get this closed up now. Unscrew our hatches. There we go. I think that looks pretty good to me. That exhaust is going this way. Fresh air is pointing down. The hot air will go up. Should be just fine like that. Now we're just going to go inside here. Try to turn this on. Starting to run. We'll close this up. Well, I've got the AC on. It's set on eco mode right now. It's got a little ginger ale here. Cheers, everyone. It's nice to be out. The bugs are out, but it's not too bad. These candles definitely help. All right, everyone. Nice and cool in here. Got changed. Feel a lot better. And it's about 10 o'clock now, so I'm gonna go ahead, lay down, get to bed, and I'll see you guys in the morning. Well, good morning, everyone. It ended up being a pretty good night's sleep. Woke up a few times, but other than that, all in all, I've had a lot worse night's sleep, and the air conditioner definitely was a big help. It actually got a little bit chilly, but I'm not complaining. Let's go ahead, get some coffee made so we can get out of here pretty early this morning. Just gonna add some water here. Pop the lid on. Just using like the coffee tea bags. This is the Folders brand. Well, I think that does it for this one. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. I'll see you guys again real soon. Bye guys.